Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're diving into the world of taste, desire, and a bit of mystery. Here are the top 20 aphrodisiac foods, known throughout history to spice up romance and awaken the senses. Oysters, famous for their zinc content, oysters are a classic symbol of romance and sensuality. Dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants and phenylethylamine, it boosts mood and desire. Chili peppers, spicy and stimulating, they increase blood flow and release endorphins. Strawberries, sweet and juicy, they're rich in vitamin C and often paired with champagne. Honey packed with boron and used in ancient love potions, a natural energy booster. Figs, symbol of fertility and desire since ancient times, soft, sweet, and visually sensual. Avocados full of healthy fats and vitamin E. Aztecs called them the testicle fruit. Bananas high in potassium and B vitamins. Playful shape aside, they support hormone production. Pomegranate, a symbol of fertility and passion, filled with antioxidants and vibrant color. Almonds historically linked to fertility and a great source of energy and magnesium. Vanilla, its warm scent has a calming, sensual effect, popular in perfumes and desserts. Maca root, an ancient Peruvian root known for libido and energy enhancement. Pine nuts rich in zinc and used in traditional love recipes from the Mediterranean. Asparagus high in folate and vitamin B6, believed to boost arousal and pleasure. Watermelon contains citrulline, which may improve blood flow and arousal. Red wine. In moderation, it enhances relaxation and lowers inhibitions. Garlic, surprisingly aphrodisiac, increases circulation, though maybe skip it on a date. Ginger, warming and stimulating, boosts circulation and sensual sensitivity. Cinnamon, the scent alone evokes warmth and desire, and it's good for blood sugar control. Basil, historically associated with love, its aroma is uplifting and sensual. Whether it's ancient myth or modern science, these foods have been stirring hearts and cravings for centuries. Which of these have you tried? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more flavorful rankings.